first graders, welcome back. Okay, so for your activity today, we are looking at the ch sound. Okay, so anything that has a ch will be blue, and anything that does not have a ch will be yellow. So let's look at the top line. We'll do that with you. So the first one is ch, chin. Does chin have ch? It does. Okay, let's look at the next word. If we need to make the sounds, we can. Shark. What's the word? Shark. Does shark have a ch, ch? No, it has a sh digraph. Okay, let's look at this one. Teach. Do you see the ch? Ch. I do too. There it is. And then let's look at our last one. Stop. Does that have a ch? No, it doesn't. So I'll color it yellow. Okay, you'll do the rest of this, and then we'll go over it tomorrow. Let's look at the back page. So once again, we're looking for words. Let me put my markers away. So let's look at this one. We're looking at That's a silent So you don't say the K. It's Then we have k and ch. Okay? So, let's look at these. Stack, check, itch, hang, witch, and this is like a witch, like who dresses up for Halloween. Knife, strong, sock, knee, watch, brick, sing. Okay, so let's look at some of these. This is a sock, so let's look for saw. Nope. Saw. Oh, there it is. There's sock. And I circle it so that I know how to spell it. I don't cross it off. Okay, sock is not a name. It's not a proper noun. So I'm just going to put sock. Okay, this next one looks like he's strong, right? So let's look for stir, the blend, stir. Oh, this is st. Let's blend it. Stack. Oh, that's not strong. I don't see st. Oh, there's stir. They're strong. There we go. And it's not a name. Okay, let me show you the other ones. This is sing, sing, witch. This would be hang, you're hanging it up. Knife, knee, watch, they're watching TV. This one would be, I think this one is itch. Looks like he's scratching. Let's see. I'm guessing that's itch. This one would be stack. Maybe stack. This one is brick. And last is check. So go ahead and do your best, and we'll look at it. I'll give you the answers at the very end. Okay, bye everyone.